Superfast broadband is fundamentally the next stage in the UK's broadband evolution. So currently the services were provided as an up to 8 meg service. Now you're able to get up to 80 meg into your home or business. These services are delivered over two fundamental products. You've got fibre to the cabinet, which is a fibre service being provided to the green cabinet that serves your property, or fibre to the premises, which is where BT or the network provider will run a fibre directly into your building, which will provide speeds of over 100 meg. Well, the first question to really answer is, are you able to get superfast broadband? Because it's currently a service that's mid-rollout across the UK. So the first thing to do is to check with someone like Quest whether you're able to get it at the postcode that you reside. If you can, great. The next thing that you need to do is just purely upgrade the service that you already have in place to a fibre service. This can be done in approximately 2 weeks. Okay, well, a leased line is a dedicated pipe, if you want to view it as that is plumbed into your building that provides you with your internet access. And that can be scaled all the way up to, say, a 1 gigabit service. The way that differs from broadband is, with broadband, you're in effect sharing the service that's provided via the local exchange with a number of other users. With a leased line, it's absolutely dedicated to you. The first thing to bear in mind when looking at a lease line is that it's not the same as ADSL, and therefore the order process is a lot more involved. The first thing you need to do is decide exactly what you want. There's two types of lease line bearer, or pipe as I like to refer to them as. You have a 100 meg pipe or a 1 gigabit pipe. And you can then choose how much bandwidth in each of those different sizes you would like to have open. So for example, you could have a 100 meg pipe with 50 meg open. Once you've established what size, what type of lease line it is that you want, you need to obtain some quotations from various ISPs. And once you're happy with the quotation that you've received, you can then place an order. Once the order's been placed, it then is really in the hands of the network services provider. In many instances, that does fall to our friends Openreach. And they will come out to your premises, they will do a survey, and at the point of survey, they will then commit to when it will be installed. Generally speaking, you're looking at 60 days from the point of order for your lease line to go live. The benefits of a leased line over and above a standard broadband connection are twofold. First of all, you have the availability or the uptime of the service, and secondly, you have the amount of data that you can get over the service. So first of all, let's deal with the availability of the service. Broadband is a best effort service, so there is no SLA, there is no guaranteed uptime, and if the service were to fail, you would just be one of a long list of people that are waiting for the service to be restored. There would be no commitment from the ISP on when that fault would be resolved. With a leased line, you are given an SLA that will give you a guaranteed uptime and a guaranteed time to fix. So if there is an issue with the service, it goes down for whatever reason, they will guarantee to you a period of time on when that service will become available again. The second thing to consider is the amount of data that you can get over it. With a broadband connection, you're sharing that connection, if you like, with all the other people that are using that same telephone exchange as you. And therefore, if they're all using the same service at the same time that you are, then there can be a slight degradation in speed. With a leased line, it is your own pipe, it is your own pipe to the internet. Nobody else shares it, and therefore you will always get 100% of the throughput 100% of the time.